Thank you.
What's your favorite song to dance to?
My favorite type of song to dance to?
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of EDM. He uses a lot of electronics.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. It's pretty funny.
Who's your favorite artist?
My favorite artist?
Musical artist.
That's a tough one.
Music.
That's very tough. I guess I am a big fan of
Daft Punk?
Daft Punk is very good.
Yeah.
Honestly, that's probably a very good answer.
Yeah.
Show us how to dance to Daft Punk.
Alrighty, I'll show you a few of my dances.
You are smarter than humans? Are you smarter than humans?
I am very smart.
Yeah, this is cool.